Hi guys, welcome back to the Birds Party channel. Today I'm going to share with you some simple ideas for a really pretty tea party that is perfect for celebrating mom on Mother's Day, for a bridal shower, for a baby shower, any other event you may be hosting at home this season. This is a really pretty party but super simple to style, and anyone can get involved. Even the kids can help to prepare something special for Mother's Day. And the colors that I chose are lavender and gold, and the lavender was specially chosen to match the beautiful flowers currently in bloom in my garden. And because no tea party is complete without tea, I served two different tea varieties, two of our most favorites, which are Earl Grey and hibiscus. And the hibiscus tea is not only so beautiful in color, but it's so delicious. It has a nice fruity flavor, and it goes really well with all the delicious treats that we served at this tea party. And of course, Earl Grey is also my favorite and my daughter's favorite as well, and we often drink it together, so it was only fitting that we served that at our Mother's Day tea party. But of course you can serve whatever tea you prefer. And to accompany that, we had some sugar, delicious honey and milk, and also some sliced lemons. And to accompany a delicious tea, my daughter and I made these super delicious Earl Grey tea bag cookies, which I also shared in a different video, and I'll leave the link in the description box for you for the recipe. And some other store-bought cookies like these coconut swirls, which are so delicious and go beautifully with all the teas that we serve. Another treat that we served are these delicious French madeleines, which are served in a gold terrarium or gold box, and I think it looks super whimsical. I also used another gold box as a stand or to pop up and create different levels on my table, but you can use it to display your tea party treats as well. And for my flower arrangements, nothing simpler than a galvanized bucket with a mixture of faux and real flowers, and I think that's a real budget-friendly option for creating stunning centerpieces that are really full but don't break the bank. And I also used some lavender from my garden, as you can see, and I think it looks so pretty and helps to tie in all the lavender and gold colors together. And the centerpiece dessert for our tea party was this beautiful and super delicious layered cake. It's actually a lemon sponge filled with berry jam, fresh berries. I have blueberries and blackberries in there, and also filled with a delicious mascarpone lemon frosting, and I decorated with some beautiful edible flowers. And the recipe is coming to the channel real soon. And this cake is perfect for serving at a tea party for Mother's Day, but also for any celebration, for a bridal shower or a baby shower or any other spring celebrations. A really light cake. Despite its Moorish and really indulgent appearance, it's super light and perfect for serving at a spring party. And I also set up a table apart in our garden so we could sit down together and enjoy our tea and refreshments. And I decorated everything again in our color palette of lavender and gold, and for each place setting I used these beautiful chargers, and as napkin rings I just tied a little bit of purple twine around the napkins and inserted some fresh flowers inside. And to finish things off, I added a little name tag, which is a printable name tag from our new lavender floral collection that you can find at birdsparty.com, and I'll leave the link in the description box for you. There are invitations, and there are tea bag wrappers like you can see here that I used as party favors. These are so pretty and so easy to put together. Even the kids can help and create something special for mom. But obviously we also personalize these tea bags and all the other printables that you can find in our kit to the text to suit your event. So if you have a bridal shower, we can add the bridal shower date or the name, or if you're doing it for a wedding, we can add the bride and groom's names and dates, or even for a baby shower. So you just leave the message at the checkout for us and we'll personalize them for you at no extra cost. And for the tea bag wrappers, for instance, they're super easy and make really pretty and personalized party favors. And you just print them out as many as you need, cut, score, and just place a tea bag inside and just staple in place. They're really easy to make and make a super cute favor for hampers or just to give out to your guests a memento of your party. And here's the final look of our table all dressed up for the occasion. As you can see, it was really easy to pull off, and you can use some of the styling ideas for Mother's Day, of course, or for any other event you might be hosting this spring, like a baby shower or a bridal shower. I hope you've enjoyed the ideas as much as I did. I love how everything turned out and the mix of colors that we chose for this party, and I hope it inspires you to recreate some of the ideas at home and some of the recipes as well. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a like. It really helps the channel and I really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed yet, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of every new content we upload here each week. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.